H2SO4 gives
Then
Zn plus H2SO4 gives ZnSO4.
okay, ZnSO4 here,
NaCl2.
NaCl here.
Um, so I'm not sure about that one.
Potassium has valency 1 and sulfate ion has valency 2. That will be
Okay,
K2
K2SO4.
here,
K2SO4, okay. CaCl2.
KCl2.
Cl2. It's not, no reaction.
Okay, now you understood.
Yes, sir.
So note this statement here that those metals that are okay, those metals that come below hydrogen in the reactivity series, okay,
Okay.
like copper, silver, gold, mercury, are not able to produce hydrogen gas on reaction with acid. Note this statement, please.
Those metals that come below. Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Next. Now, HNO3 is a specialized acid which is a strong oxidizing agent. Okay. HNO3 means nitric acid.
Okay.
It is nitric acid. Okay. Nitric acid means HNO3. It when react with metals. HNO3 when react with metals, it should produce salt plus hydrogen gas. But instead of
Yes, sir.
producing salt, it produces salt plus nitrogen oxide, nitrogen N2O3 or N2O5, NO2 or N2O5, or plus instead of hydrogen gas, it oxidizes the water, hydrogen to water. So actually HNO3 is a strong oxidizing agent. Strong
Oxidizing it.
oxidizing agent. So what does it do? It oxidizes the H plus ions to water and form water. Instead of producing hydrogen gas, it produces water and
Form H2.
itself get reduced to any of the nitrogen oxides such as NO2 or N2O5. Okay.
Okay, sir.
But if I'm talking here, still there are the two metals, magnesium and manganese, which on reaction with metals, HNO3 can produce hydrogen gas. Magnesium and manganese are the two metals. Yeah, they
Magnesium
can
and
produce
manganese,
hydrogen
right?
gas. What are you saying?
Manganese, right?
Manganese.
Okay. Yes, I am.
Manganese. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
So the question comes in examination that why HNO3 on reaction with metals do not produce hydrogen gas, do not produce H2 gas. So you have to memorize this question first, then you have to answer this, and then you have to memorize, and then I will listen it from you, and then you have to write it. So HNO3 being a strong oxidizing agent on reaction with metal do not liberate out hydrogen gas because it oxidizes the hydrogen ions to form water and itself get reduced to nitrogen oxides such as N2O5 or NO3.
Okay.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
Memorize it fast.
Okay, sir.
Done?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So speak what you learn.
HNO3 being a strong oxidizing agent would not liberate out hydrogen gas because it oxidizes itself by and gains water, making it into H2O.
It oxidizes the what?
Hydrogen molecules.
Hydrogen ions to?
Hydrogen ions to form water.
Very good.
The,
Okay, then
then, but magnesium and manganese don't liberate out hydrogen gas.
okay. Magnesium and magnesium
And
are the metals that can produce hydrogen gas on reaction with. Okay, note it down. Note it down.
so, what should I note the question as? Why HNO3 can't?
Question is that why HNO3 on reaction with acid do not produce hydrogen gas?
Okay. Okay, sir.
Okay. Now the next property is that metals when react with check whether if you have done some mistake. Check it.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Done?
So, yes, sir.
Okay, next if I'm talking here is the next is chemical properties of metals. properties of metals is that metals when react with water, they form salt plus not salt, metal hydroxide slash metal oxide plus hydrogen gas. Means this is the metal oxide. This is uh, which metal form metal hydroxide? There are four metals: potassium, sodium, calcium, magnesium. These metals on reaction with water, okay, on
Yes, sir.
reaction with
On reaction with
water,
water,
yeah,
form metal hydroxides,
metal hydroxide. Other metal like aluminium, zinc, and iron. When they react with water, they form
metal
what?
oxides,
Metal oxide.
oxides.
For example, here you can check it. Here. So if you are having sodium and water, sodium and react with water, initially it forms sodium oxide plus hydrogen gas. But this is an intermediate. This compound that is going to form, it further react with the water in the beaker again and will form
Okay.
hydroxide, sodium hydroxide. So the four metal oxide like sodium oxide, potassium oxide, calcium oxide, and magnesium oxide is so reactive that it reacts further with water and convert it into hydroxide. So actually we are not able to get this product. We get this one and this one.
Okay, sir.
And this reaction is so exothermic in case of sodium that the hydrogen gas that is produced here, it catches fire. Let me show you that how do sodium react with water. Have you seen this one in the video ever?
No, sir.
So actually reaction is so exothermic that the heat liberated out during this reaction led the hydrogen gas to catch fire. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Let me show you. So you can check it here.
Straight out. Straight out. Nice cross out that way, huh? Yeah, that way.
So when you throw the sodium in the beaker,
So should I write initially Na2O or should I write to
you
NaOH?
can write it, you can write it.
Okay. Okay, sir. Done.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So if I'm writing here the reaction with metals, like for example, if I'm having sodium, when react with water, it will give you sodium hydroxide plus hydrogen gas, and it react with ice, cold water, hot water, or steam. The second one is potassium. When react with water, it will also give you KOH plus H2 at same conditions. And
Okay.
calcium, when react with water, it will give you calcium hydroxide plus hydrogen gas. And it is actually, we can say that it will react with cold water, but not with ice. Cold water or hot water or steam. Magnesium,
Okay.
when react with water, it will give you magnesium hydroxide plus hydrogen gas, and it react with hot water or steam. While
Okay.
zinc, when react with water, it will give you zinc oxide plus hydrogen gas. Okay, I'm writing here respectively like this: zinc, either if it is zinc, aluminium, or iron. When they react with water, they will give you ZNO for zinc, Al2O3 for aluminium, and Fe3O4 for steam. Fe3O4, okay, for iron
Okay.
plus hydrogen gas. And the condition for this is steam only. Okay, they react with the steam.
Only
it?
steam.
Got it?
Yes, sir. So only steam.
Yeah, only steam. They don't react with water. Okay,
Okay, sir.
so memorize it fast, and then you have to note it down.
Okay, sir.
Done?
Yes, sir.
Hmm?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next,
Should I write?
yeah, you have to write it.
So why did you write Ca plus H2?
Why did you write?
Ca plus H2, calcium plus hydrogen.
It is H2O.
Okay.
You have to memorize the condition also.
Yes, I'm doing it. Okay, sir.
Here we have, okay. So these are the reactions and those metals that comes below hydrogen. Below hydrogen means like copper
Yes,
and
sir.
water, it will there will be no reaction, okay.
Okay.
Like illicits, they don't, because this is a displacement reaction, na, they are displacing.
Yes, sir.
And here we have a question here that why do calcium float on the surface of water? So when calcium float on the surface of water, because calcium when comes in the contact with the water molecule, it produces hydrogen gas. And this gas bubbles stick to the surface of the calcium, okay, and provide it an upthrust which make it float. Okay,
Okay, sir.
means this bubble get stick. And moreover, calcium is reactive, means it is a reactive metal which can produce sufficient amount of hydrogen. Means it reacts sufficiently, means the hydrogen
Okay.
it is producing sufficiently that it can provide
So
it
that it can
upthrust to
be
provide.
provided. Yes. Okay.
Okay, so memorize this one
Okay.
first.
Yes, sir. Done.
Done.
Yes, sir.
So speak.
Calcium floats on the surface of water because hydrogen gas formed uh, but sticks on the calcium surface, which provides it an upthrust, thus making it float. Moreover, calcium is a highly reactive metal, which allows which allows it to produce hydrogen to make it float
Sufficiently, means it is.
sufficiently to make it float.
Okay, note it down. Why do calcium float on the surface of water?
Okay, sir. Done.
Done. Okay, let's discuss the question on this topics. Question number 4.
So which one is following whether it's heating or barefoot cold and left hot water? Fe.
Question number 5.
Which of the following will be obtained from Fe3O4?
Question number 6.
What happens when calcium is treated with water? Bubbles of hydrogen gas stick to the surface. It reacts less violently with water. 3 and 4.
React less violently with water and
Bubbles of hydrogen gas form stick to the.
okay. Question number 27.
Which one of the statement is incorrect for B.
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 Yes, it react with cold water. No, it do not react with cold water. It react with hot water.
It reacts with hot water and steam.
Question number 40.
Generally, when metals and traces interact. Fine. There,
Memorize this question.
yes, sir, I remember well. Forgot the reason.
HNO3 is a strong oxidizing agent.
Sorry?
HNO3 is a strong oxidizing agent. It
Yes,
oxidizes.
sir. Three is a strong oxidizing agent, making the hydrogen molecules to gain oxygen and forming water instead of hydrogen.
And itself get reduced to.
Sorry, and it itself gets reduced to nitrate,
Nitrogen oxides like NO2 or
nitrogen oxides, Na2, N2O5, and NO3.
Question number 42. Note it down in your copy.
Okay, so found X, Y, and Z. X is potassium, Y is potassium hydroxide, and Z is hydrogen gas.
Okay. X is potassium.
Yes, sir.
No, it is not potassium. What is saying in the question?
When a metal X is treated with cold water, gives a basic salt Y with a molecular form XOH.
Like you see that there are the three metals that can react with cold water: sodium, potassium, and calcium. Other magnesium react with hot water. Why it cannot be calcium hydroxide? First of all, calcium hydroxide formula is XOH whole twice. Calcium hydroxide whole twice. So its formula should be XOH whole twice in this form.
Yes, sir. Not.
Secondly, it does not have the molecular mass 40. Molecular mass of the whole. Alone the calcium has 40 mass, but calcium hydroxide is going to have 14 plus 34. 16 plus 1 to the 34. You will get 74 as a mass.
74.
Here you will get potassium. It can be XOH form because it is KOH.
KOH.
Its mass is 39 plus 17 is 56. 16 for this one for hydrogen. 56. So it
Yes,
is
sir.
not-
I don't know the molecular form this thing, so
Okay. NaOH is 23 for sodium and 16 for oxygen and 1 for hydrogen. That is 40.
it is.
Understood?
Yes, sir. So what should I do when the questions like this about molecular form or molecular masses
You have to
come?
memorize the molecular mass.
So where can I find the, is it a table?
Go to the, yeah, it is in 9th standard. 9th class book, atoms and molecule chapter.
Okay.
Name the, here, tell me, a metal X is a non-metal. 43, this I give you the homework. Did you do
43
it? Yeah, 43.
non-metal X exists in two different things. Y is the hardest natural surface, whereas Z is a good conductor of electricity. Y is the hardest natural substance.
What is X? I explained you yesterday.
I think it's diamond.
X is carbon and Y.
X is carbon
Okay.
and Y is diamond.
Y is diamond. Okay. And
Yes, sir.
Z.
And Z is graphite.
Okay. Question number 34. 54, sorry.
54. An alkaline metal A gives a compound B from reacting with water. Compound A is insoluble compound B. And alkaline metal A plus B and B. And Sir, is B hydrogen gas?
It's B, hydrogen gas. Yeah. So
B is
let me
hydrogen
explain you.
gas.
No, B is not a hydrogen gas. It's a compound.
Okay. Yeah.
So let me explain you here. That this compound, okay, alkali metals A. First of all, alkali metal is sodium and potassium are the alkali metals.
Yes, sir.
So when it react with compound B, so it is water. When it react with sodium, it will gives you NaOH. It is a molecular mass plus hydrogen gas. So compound A, it is saying metal A, so A is A, this one, compound B is this one, gives a compound B and soluble, which is and compound C, which gives a soluble compound B. Okay, the compound B gives a soluble compound C on treatment with aluminum. So when you treat this
So
NaOH,
NaOH plus Al2O3.
Al2O3 will gives you sodium aluminate, Na2Al, sorry, NaAlO2.
NaAl.
AlO2
Okay.
plus hydrogen
Hydrogen gas.
gas. Understood?
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Note this one. This is compound C.